Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is Steph. She's come in, she had a soak off first and now we're doing a fresh set. She's going on holiday, so yeah, she hasn't had a fresh set for a while, so it's about time, girl. So I done all the prep work on her natural nails. I applied Glitter Planet's tapered square tips. I dehydrated, I primed twice, and now I'm going in with application. So I'm not doing my clear layer because this is like a back to basics sort of video. I don't know, because it's not going to be an acrylic set, it's going to be a gel polish design. I don't know how to say it. Yeah, gel polish design. So I'm just doing clear acrylic on all the nails and applying gel polish. It's a really simple set, to be fair, but I wasn't going to record it, but I thought, do you know what, I might as well, because I thought some people just might want to see this. I don't know. So I do my if I'm just doing this, I always do 2 beads. So I do one halfway down the nail and then I do my cuticle bead. I know some people do 3 and that's probably better for most people, but I know how I've been doing this a long time, so I always just do 2 and 1 bead. I never do a 1 bead like this, it just doesn't work out. I do 1 bead if I'm like capping glitter or something like that, but if I'm doing a full set just clear, I have to do it in 2. I can't just do 1. Plus it's kind of a long set as well. Am I rambling? Anyway, I'll let you watch this. Yes, enjoy it. Oh, and I'm using I'm using Glitter Planet's magic stick size 12. I just listened back to that voice note that I did, and oh my god, I was absolutely rambling. And also it cut out like 5 seconds of what I was saying, so if it doesn't make sense, I apologise. I don't know what happened, but I couldn't do it again. It was already take 3 and it was a long note, and I just was like, no, they're just gonna have to deal with that. Sorry. So now they're all done. I've done the other hand and everything's lovely and set. So here I'm coming in with my Glitter Planet file, and I'm just going to shape the sides like this. I'm trying to show you like step by step. So yep, here we go, shaping the sides just dead straight. So now I've changed my position on my camera, so hopefully you can see this. Oh yeah, you can. Nice. So this is how I shape. So I'll flip my client's hand around so it's facing towards me, and I'll shape this way. I'm sure you've all seen my video on how I shape my nails anyway, so you probably know that I do it this way anyway. Just gets a really nice crisp shape on it. I can't talk, can I? Oh my god, it's one of those days I'm struggling to talk. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here, and then I come in with my saeyang K35. I don't know why I always say that, because you know it's what I use and I put it in the description box. And I'll just debulk and flatten out that cuticle area. It was so easy peasy. I laid that acrylic down so perfect. I barely had to do any filing. It was great. I haven't done that for so long. I haven't done a full set of just clear acrylic in so long, and I loved it. But then she went and ruined it with white gel. No, I'm joking. No, it looked nice. Wait to the end. So once I was happy with the shape, I then buffed them with my buffing block. I left out the buffing block bit because everyone was like, what's happened to your buffing block? It's just a little bit worn out, guys. It's still in working condition, but it's just a little bit battered. It's about time. I've got loads, but I love an old file and I love an old buffer. I don't know why, I hate new ones. Oh, I'm a weirdo. But anyway, she gave them a scrub with some soap and water to remove the dust, and I just went in and did this anyway because I'm a weirdo. So I just wanted to rough them up a little bit because we're applying some gel, and I just feel like it just applies to a nice roughed up surface rather than a smooth buffed surface. So that's just what I'm doing there with the sanding band. And now I'm coming in, this is just a gel polish. I can't remember, I think it's called like it's Elite 99, I think, actually. It's just Elite 99 white gel, and I'm just applying 2 coats of that. So I've said in my previous one that my first coat, I always call it my crumb coat. So you know when you do cakes, you do your frosting, you do your crumb coat or frosting, just in case there's any crumbs. Oh, I don't know, I just do my crumb coat. I call it my crumb coat, and then my second layer is where you go in and just make sure it's perfect. So my first coat, I'm not too bothered. Well, I take my time, but you know, if it's not everywhere, not in all the nooks and crannies, I'm not too bothered, because that's what I do on my second layer. So then she cures in the lamp for 60 seconds, each time 60 seconds, a full 60 seconds, no like 30 seconds, 40 seconds, a full 60 seconds. And then we're going to apply some pigment. So this pigment that I'm using, I've had it for so long and it is just stunning, guys, absolutely stunning. You can't even see it on camera here, it's so upsetting. I was trying so hard, you couldn't even see the full gorgeousness of it. But it's called Indigo. It's by Indigo and it's emerald effect, like just like a pigment dust sort of thing. And you have to have gel polish first. You have to apply it to the sticky layer. I literally just pat it on the nail and then just rub it in, really, like with little circles and up and down, and just to really buff it right in. It's just super stunning. I can't even describe what it looks like. It looks so much better in person. In the light, it's so nice. In the light, when there's no light, it looks even better. Honestly, it is just to die for, and it's literally £2.50 for a pot, so definitely go and get it. I've got so many of their other ones as well. They've got a nice pink one that I've used before. They've got a peachy one, a mermaid one. Oh, definitely go and get these because you will not be disappointed. So yeah, I just buffed that over all the nails, just trying to show you here, but you just really couldn't see it. It's quite upsetting. But yeah, I remove all the dust and then I'm going to apply some top coat. Oh look, you can see a little bit there. Oh, just super stunning. So now I'm applying CJP Tack Free Top Gloss, and make sure that you cover the whole nail, because if you don't, it's going to come off. That little bit of pigment is going to come off, so make sure you cover the whole lot. Cure again for 60 seconds. I apply some cuticle oil and that is the set complete. I'm so glad I did record these because they are real nice and I think people will appreciate just a gel polish, plain gel polish set. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you did, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.